So, how to fix Instagram automatically closing in less than 1 minute? Hello guys, this is what I'm gonna show you how to fix it in today's video. So, first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager page on your phone, and then go to the apps right here. Now on this page, as you can see, you'll find all the apps that you have. Scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Now, when you click on Instagram, you have to do only one thing. Click on force stop and then go to the notifications management. Scroll down all the way down. Make sure that all notifications are enabled. Then go down to the more settings option. It will take you directly to Instagram. Now here on this page, all what you have to do is enable this option and then enable it and disable it. After that, go back, restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.